the consonant C. Right now you might be wondering, how does the Shona consonant C sound when it is combined with different vowels? However, you must note that in the Shona language, a vowel never comes immediately after the letter C. In the Shona language, there is always an H immediately after C, and then a vowel follows after H, not a vowel next to C. So let's hear how a combination of these two consonants sound when they are combined with different vowels. Chingwa, which means bread. Chingoro, which means a cat. Chikafu, which means food. Chuma, which means necklace. Chombo, which means weapon. Chiwepura, which means spoon. Chero, which means any. So this is it for the consonant C, and we hope you got something. Check out the next video, which is going to be about the consonant D and some examples on how it works.